How to create 100 plus viral YouTube Shorts in 10 minutes for free. Welcome back to AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. Today, we are going to explore a secret strategy that you can use to make thousands of dollars from short-form YouTube videos. And the best part is that you don't need to do any of the work by yourself. All you need is ChatGPT and Canva, and you can create over 100 videos in just 10 minutes. We highly encourage you to settle in and watch this video right through to the end. This is a comprehensive step-by-step guide, and you wouldn't want to miss out on any crucial components that could be the key to your YouTube success. But before we get started, I'd like to direct your attention to an exemplary YouTube channel, Daily Facts Worth. This channel is a remarkable example of the potential of the strategy we're about to explore. They are generating a staggering $30,000 every month using this very method. It's a testament to the power of what we're about to reveal to you today. So if you're looking to create a significant passive income stream for yourself, you're in the right place, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Buckle up and let's get started. Our first ally in this strategy is none other than ChatGPT. The role of ChatGPT in our approach is to generate an array of random facts or quotes for a specific niche of your choice. Your niche can be historical facts, relationships, or motivational quotes. It's worth considering a niche that aligns with potential affiliate marketing opportunities, and here's why. Later in this video, we'll delve into how you can integrate affiliate links into these YouTube Shorts. By doing so, you're creating a pathway for viewers to click on your links, purchase products, and in turn, generate a revenue stream for you. Stay tuned, as this is only the tip of the iceberg. For the purpose of our demonstration today, we're going to focus on love quotes. Our initial step is to train ChatGPT to generate love quotes that align with a distinctive style, one that immediately captivates the audience and compels them to anticipate the continuation. To ensure that ChatGPT grasps our requirements, we're going to provide it with 2 model quotes that reflect the style we're after. We'll also specify a target demographic. To validate that ChatGPT has understood our instructions, we'll request it to produce a response. If the output aligns with your expectations, then you're all set to proceed. It's essential to keep in mind that whenever ChatGPT yields a desirable result, make sure to affirm it. This reinforcement encourages the AI to persist with the same writing style, maintaining the consistency of your content. Our video content will be a 2-part composition, the first and second parts of a quote. What we seek from ChatGPT is the creation of quotes with a similar dual-part structure, each part carrying a distinct theme. We'll request ChatGPT to organize these quotes in a structured format reminiscent of an Excel sheet. This step might seem trivial, but trust us, it holds significant value, and you will find out why later in the video. So stay tuned to discover why this is so crucial. ChatGPT will be our quote factory, generating over 100 quotes for us. However, we won't be requesting all of them in a single stroke. For our first batch, we'll instruct ChatGPT to create 30 quotes. You can adjust this number to your preference, but do bear in mind that ChatGPT has a limit, making 30 a practical choice. Once the quotes have been generated, your next step is as simple as copying and pasting them into an Excel spreadsheet. Repeat this process until you've generated a total of 100 quotes. With your quotes now ready and waiting, it's time to transition into the next phase, video creation. Let's dive into that. To craft our videos, we'll be utilizing Canva, a versatile tool that lets you create short videos and a multitude of other designs at no cost. Here's what you need to do. Head over to canva.com and search for mobile video. Click on Create Blank Mobile Video, and it will usher you into the timeline. In the search bar, type in quotes, and voila! Lots of quote templates will be at your disposal. When selecting a template, ensure it aligns with the nature of your content and appeals to your target demographic. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll opt for a visually appealing template chosen at random. The quote is going to be at the central part of your template, while the name of your YouTube channel will be positioned at the bottom. It's important to remember that these quotes consist of 2 segments. Consequently, we'll need to incorporate a second text block, positioned identically in the center as the first one. This allows us to separate the 2 parts of the quote visually, enhancing the viewer's experience. Your video content will mirror the structure of your quotes, split into 2 segments. The first part of the quote will hold the viewer's attention for 9 seconds, followed by a brief 1-second intermission. The second part of the quote then flashes on screen for a swift 1.5 seconds. This is a very neat trick, and the reason behind it will blow your mind. You see, 1.5 seconds is just too fast for people to read the second part of the quote, so they'll watch the video again. This ploy effectively boosts your watch time, prompting YouTube's algorithm to promote your video to a broader audience. Watch how this technique can amplify your reach. Next, we're turning our attention towards fine-tuning the video's timing. To do this, simply right-click on the first segment of the quote and select Show Timing. This action will reveal the duration and placement of the text within the video. We're aiming for a 9-second display of the first quote segment, followed by a 1-second pause. The second quote segment then comes into play at the 10-second mark, holding the screen for a mere 1.5 seconds before we bring the video to a close. Our final touch involves centering the second part of the quote on the screen, and voila, your video is good to go. Let's proceed to see the next steps. Now, we're heading into the exciting phase. We're going to integrate our quote database into Canva, enabling us to generate hundreds of distinct videos with a few mere clicks. Here's how it's done. Navigate to Apps in the left menu, search for Bulk Create, and opt for Enter Data manually. Next, click on Clear All Data, then proceed to copy the quotes from your Excel sheet. For demonstration purposes, we'll input 30 quotes at this time. Simply paste them into Canva along with their respective names, and you're all set. Watch the magic unfold as we delve deeper. Once you've entered your quotes, you'll see all 30 of them appearing in Canva. Simply click Done. Our next step is to link the various text elements to the appropriate segments of the video. Right-click on the text in the video and select Connect Data. Now, select the right piece of data that you want displayed in each text segment. Connect the first segment of the quote to the first part, and likewise, link the second segment of the quote to the second part. Once you've connected all the data pieces, place the second part back in the center of the video, and you're done. At this stage, all data elements should display a purple check mark on the left, indicating that we're set to generate the video. Click on Continue, and voila, Canva generates 30 pages. And just like that, you're now the proud owner of 30 unique YouTube Shorts, each featuring a different quote. The only downside is that all the videos have the same background. That's exactly why we crafted just 30 videos initially, not the whole set in one go. This gives us the opportunity to switch up the backgrounds for the next batch of videos and ensures that all your YouTube Shorts won't be monotonous, having the same background. Once you've infused a touch of diversity in all your videos, go ahead and download them. You're now ready to begin the process of uploading these engaging shorts onto your YouTube channel. And now, we arrive at the segment we've all been eagerly anticipating, the strategies to monetize these short YouTube videos. A straightforward way to earn revenue from your YouTube Shorts is via the ad revenue that Google Ads provides. However, for those of you at the beginning stage of your YouTube journey, this option might be inaccessible. But don't fret, there's an effective alternative: affiliate marketing. The digital world is teeming with a multitude of affiliate marketing platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate, ready to assist you in making money from your content. For the aim of this step-by-step guide, we'll be leveraging the capabilities of ClickBank as our preferred affiliate marketing platform. To get started, head over to ClickBank's website at clickbank.com. Click on the Sign Up button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the home page. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and a desired account username. Be sure to fill in your details accurately, as this information will be used for payment purposes later on. Joining ClickBank not only gives you access to a multitude of products you can promote, but also opens up a new stream of passive income for your YouTube channel. Once you've successfully registered, a verification link will be sent to your email by ClickBank. It's crucial to click this link to confirm your account. Subsequently, arrange your preferred method of payment. This will facilitate smooth transactions once you start earning from your affiliate marketing activities. The next step is to explore the ClickBank marketplace, which is brimming with diverse products spanning an array of categories. Whether your interests lie in health, fitness, self-help, or digital marketing, you're certain to find a product that aligns perfectly with your niche. This alignment is key to the authenticity and success of your affiliate marketing efforts. After identifying a suitable product, you'll notice a Promote button alongside the product listing. Click on it. This action will generate a window containing your exclusive affiliate link embedded with your ClickBank ID. This ID is crucial as it enables ClickBank to accurately track sales and attribute them to your account. There's also an option to append a tracking ID to your affiliate link. This can be beneficial if you want to track the performance of your sales more closely. Make sure to copy your affiliate link and save it in a safe place. This is the very link that will channel traffic towards the product sales page, increasing your chances of making a sale. Once you've secured your affiliate link, the next step is to strategically place it within the description box of your YouTube Shorts. To further amplify the effectiveness of this approach, you can incorporate a call to action within your videos, prompting viewers to check out your affiliate link located in the description box. And that wraps up today's video. We really hope you found it informative and learned something new. Should you have any questions or comments, we encourage you to share them in the comment section below. To stay updated with our educational content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and activate the notification bell if you haven't done so already. We look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video.